Okay, so first I went to Google and found a background that I want to use, and I chose this one. So then I went to my Cricut design space and I uploaded it. Once you upload it, save as a print and cut, then insert image. Second, okay, and then kind of rotate it, and then unlock it, stretch it out some. Then you go to your text, and then just type in anything. I just did grandma, one second, okay. Grandma, and then I chose this font here, which is pretty big and bold. I got it from defont.com. And then you just make your font as big as you want it. You unlock it, stretch it, however you want to do it. And then place it on the pattern, and then you select the font and the pattern together. Go down here to the slice option, and then you just get rid of everything except for your print it or your pattern text. So, and then I duplicated it, okay, and then I made this, I changed it from original artwork to a color. I use black, and then I'll send the black to the back because that's going to be the background. And then you just place it on there like so. Make this a little bigger. So stretch that out some. And then you can place it on there so, however you want to do it. And then, whoops, let's see. I think that looks pretty good right there. And then you just attach. And it'll save as a print and cut.